All right, what's going on, people? This the next day, this Friday, and we got a little action, but I still think these things gonna pull back to before taking off. AU, we up 29. We're just gonna go left to right, right. AN, A chef finally taking off, people. I told you it was gonna take off. This the only one that was stalling though. I don't know why it stalled like that, but as you can see, this bar is a identifier right here. I knew it was gonna come down just to take all that out. This in particular ball, just like a cheat code. But other than that, man, we going back up. And it's like it's about to hit our targets. AJ, Yusuf, we down 29. UCAT, we up 18. Our target not really that far. Let me see how many pips that is from this point. That's about 90, about 100 pips. UJ, 125 on two positions. Like I say, that should be like a 200 pip move from here to here. That's 240. That's 270. Um, GU, not in that one. GG, 65. Like I say, that look like a 200 pip move as well. 240, 270. EU, -1. Uh, they ain't nothing but like 50 pips on this trade. And I got on that trade on the 1 hour. EA, we up 71, so we got some downward movement on this one. E Shelf, EJ, down -18. EN, that should be like 10. All right, -1. Shot down, shot back up. Look like it's about to continue back down. ECAT, NJ, NUD, USD, I mean. -68. We got three positions on here. Let's see how many pips that is. It's about 100. It's about 86. From here to here, that's about 60. All right, so that's good. All right, so this one, we up 10. And from that to there, it's about 150 on that one. And Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. All right, give me 1 second. Let me pause this right quick. I'm about to see if I can analyze Bitcoin. All right, I had to take a look at my indicator. Um, where I got Bitcoin going, at least what I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to go is up. It's up to this level right here from what data is telling me. But you know, Bitcoin moves different, and as you can see, look at the volatility in this thing. Came all the way down, shot all the way up. So overall, this is the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, I think we could definitely get to this area. Let me go to the 1 hour. So we probably could come up. I'm not even gonna go that far. No, come up, to come down, and then shoot right back up. So overall, I'm targeting this area for the 1 hour and this area for the 4 hour, right? So I got Bitcoin going up. Now this thing can go back down, but overall, before it do its manipulation, it's guaranteed to come up here. Well, I'm not gonna say guaranteed, but we're gonna assume that it's gonna get up there from what data tell us. From what data tell us, right? So that's what I got for Bitcoin. But other than that, man, here go the trades. It's starting to pull back. New York opening is gonna happen in another hour. Uh, not another hour, in a few, like, like a couple of minutes, like 30 minutes or 20 minutes. And we should get some action with that. But other than that, that's what we at on these trades. And like I said, it's sort of like investing in these pairs. Um, we've been investing in this one since the mother ones, and it just been moving sideways. And we got that drop. I knew it was gonna drop and take this out before going up, but you just never know if it could have went up and then shot back down to take out this low in this candle. But other than that, this another one. This another one. Pay attention to this. So whenever we get that downward movement, this getting taken out. It's about to get taken out. You know, just pay attention to this one. And it's not to say that it's over here. I don't see a candle that's looking like a cheat code, people. And when you have experience, you start to figure out stuff that, you know, normally wouldn't stick out to you. It start to stick out to you. And like I said, it come with experience. Let me see if I could just find another one. You guys gotta, like I said, everything that you need to know is right in front of you. It's right in front of you, people. You just gotta take the time to figure it out and learn, educate, document, and execute. When you see these things, uh, I don't see another one so far, but that was one I saw. Let me see if I can see one on 1 hour. It's like real obvious. It's an obvious candle. Here you go, another one right here. Real obvious. Look at this. They took that out. So once you got your sell signal, you could have just targeted that, right? That's like an easy one. Like if you know you got a impulse and you're getting ready to to get around resistance or whatever your signal, that's easy money, people. Easy money. But a lot of people don't have the patience. Let me see if I can find another one. A lot of people don't have the patience to wait for those things. Like I could trade that alone and make a killing, but it's another one right here. Look at that candle. That one a little, let's just see if I would have did from my old strategy, right? Bam. Yep, I could have targeted that. That could have been a target. So once they get hit, boom, boom, talking in this low. Bam. And that's my old strategy, people. I mean, I still use it, but I'm using this indicator. I don't even have to do that no more. Let me see if I can find another one. I'm just giving you guys clues and hints and stuff, from what I experienced in these markets. Coming, I wouldn't say that one. No, that's not one. But it did work out. But it's not one. It's not one. They going right here. No, not really. Not really. No, it ain't one. They going right there. See how obvious that look? Don't that look obvious? Right? Boom. That's an obvious candle. Now far as sketching it up, you would have to do some stuff, but I would have to go on. Let me see. Let me do this. Let me put 2 lines under just in case. I'm gonna put one right here. Now, let me go to the 4 hour. I want to look at that. Now, if I was to do my signal, right? Bam. Look at that. All right. So let's go to the daily because it didn't quite hit it. So let's go to the daily. Let's find that area. Where is it? All right. Here we go. Bam. Right? There we go. That daily candle. Go back to the 4 hour and look at that again. Right? Did it or did it not? Did it or did it not? So once you got in that area, boom, target that candle. That's about 50 pips. Target that low. That's about 70 pips. So yeah, people, like I said, the longer you in those groups and you learned the strategy and you learned how to trade and you somehow consistent um with whatever you learn, get out of there and start to venture off, man, on your own because there's a lot of information that's in here that I might not even know about, but I'm still learning because I'm in these markets gathering this data and learning this stuff. So there's a lot of stuff people may not be teaching online or on YouTube that's in these charts that you could start discovering yourself. And like I said, I got my indicator in the background, and it's a completely edge, and I'm not sharing it. I don't believe in doing that. But here's where we at with everything, man. Like I said, I'm gonna update you guys on these trades. But like I said, man, that's UCAD, that's UJ8. All right, I'm gonna update you guys on these trades and show you how these play out. Like if you overall know where the trade is going, why not just invest in it once it's extending away from it, so when they get back to it you can profit a lot of money, people. But it's a different style of trading. A lot of people don't trade like that, and I'm glad because it's really easier than having to wait for your setup to come, right? Wait up for your setup to come to trade it, and it's not always guaranteed. So, and I can enter a lot of more trades like that rather than having to wait for these trades like this to set up. So like I said, man, it's a learning thing. Hopefully, you guys will get there. Um, or if you're comfortable with whatever you're doing, stay comfortable, but just stay consistent with it, man. Stay on your grind and don't deviate from it. Like I said, I got Bitcoin going over here overall. Now, how long it'll take to get there, who knows? Before it do all this manipulation to go up there, but that's what data is showing me. And you gotta wonder um why these indicators exist, right? Just like the weather. That's an indicator. The radar is an indicator, right? So it indicates something is on the horizon or coming before it actually comes and give you guys a heads up to prepare and execute on it, right? So don't listen to people when they say these indicators don't work. Yes, it lags, but everything lags. It's just the information that's come with it, how you use it. But that's a different story. Like I said, I'm gonna update you guys on these trades, and this is the trade that we was in last week with the other ones that's just starting to perform. So other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna update you guys on this stuff. Hopefully, we get some action in New York opening. If not, oh well. But I really think this one gonna get taken out today. If not, we might just close it once it get a little bit close. Because we've been in this trade for too long, and we was in this mess. I call that mess. This is mess. This is mess, right? But these chef pairs tend to do that, a lot before actually moving. But other than that, y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe, and we waiting for this update.